So in the process of connecting this horn, all right, I was on YouTube looking for videos on how to do it. And these people must be retarded. So the horn is just a circuit, right? And once you hit it, it connects the circuit, right? So you don't have to ground that button. You don't ground that. You go, it is right here. You ground the horn. The horn is grounded. You ground the horn, and then one wire goes from the horn to the button, right? If you can see here, so you got two wires. So one wire goes from the horn to the button, and the other wire goes from the button to the positive side of the battery, right? I have it connected to my amp wire, which is in here, right there. See, I just put in there with my amp wire. Just comes straight from the positive side of the battery, and that's it. Do not ground that button, right? Because I saw that a lot. People grounding that button, right? Ground the horn, right? Then one wire to the horn button, and then one wire from the horn button to the battery. See, this is my amp cable connected to the battery. Right there. Amp cable connected to the battery. And that's it. And that's it. I saw a bunch of videos of people doing a bunch of extra stuff, putting God knows what. The packet brought everything you needed. The button and the wire. And that's it. If you need more wire, because maybe you don't have an amp, amp cable, right? And you gotta run it to the battery itself. That's fine, get more wire, bro. But like, oh my God. You don't need to ground this button. Just one wire from button to horn and one wire from button to battery. And then you get that. Hope this helps you. I got it after watching like 10 videos of a bunch of nothing. It just clicked, it just hit me. Like, it's just a circuit. I tried it, it worked. There you go.